RVs can be great for more than just summer vacation. They can be a wonderful way to explore the countryside year-round. Proper maintenance will help ensure your RV is safe and reliable on the road no matter what the season. Good maintenance of your RV includes inspecting things such as the roof seals, tires, brakes, and overall wear and tear. A great place to start is the exterior of your RV. Careful inspection of the roof and seams can help identify any potential leaks that could damage the electrical wiring or develop mold and mildew over time. So what are some steps you can take to ensure your seals and seams are watertight? First, consider hiring a certified RV professional to inspect the roof and reseal areas if needed. Have them check the seals around the skylights and vents and make any needed repairs or replacements. You'll want to clean and lubricate all of the RV's slide-outs and seals too. Make sure to remove any buildup to ensure the mechanisms are unobstructed and can run efficiently. Next, let's move on to the RV's tires. It's a good idea to keep track of how many miles you've traveled with your RV so you can know when your tires should be inspected or replaced. Consider installing tire pressure monitoring systems to make sure your tires are properly inflated. Check the lug nuts on your RV's wheels before each trip to ensure they are tightened with the proper torque rating. When your RV is not in use for an extended period of time, cover the tires and coat them with a UV sun protectant to help prevent any premature aging. Much like your car or truck, your RV likely has brakes that need to be maintained for safe operation. Review your RV's owner's manual for recommended brake service schedules. Be sure to have the brake fluid flushed according to the service schedule. If your brakes need to be replaced, make sure to request that the wheel bearings are lubricated and repacked with grease after replacement. Now that you've checked these major components, it's equally important to inspect the general wear and tear your RV can experience over time. You'll want to keep tabs on the following: RV battery life. Be sure it's charged before your next trip or replace it if it's not holding a charge. Leveling stabilizers. Make sure they're fully withdrawn before moving your RV. Carbon monoxide detectors. Keep you and your family safe. Backup camera. Install or upgrade yours to make it easier to back up safely. Awning. Wrap it up every time you're expecting foul weather. Generator oil. Make sure to change it regularly. Water waste system. Flush it on a regular basis with plenty of water. Be sure to refer to your RV's owner's manual or manufacturer's guidance for specifics for these tasks, as well as additional required maintenance. Once you've checked and maintained the parts of your RV, you've got one last thing to check before you can hit the road: your insurance. You can get a custom policy for your RV with all the coverages and discounts you need from your local American Family agent. Contact them today for your personalized quote. And remember, by keeping tabs on the maintenance of your RV, you can continue making lifelong memories in it year-round.
American Family Insurance.